All right, so you're thinking about the all-in-one loan with Epic Lending, and you're wondering, how does this whole thing actually work? Well, you've come to the right place. We're about to break down the entire process step by step, from that first phone call all the way to you using this amazing financial tool. Let's dive in.
First off, congratulations. Seriously, just by finding the all-in-one loan, you're already on a different track. This isn't your typical mortgage. It's a first-position home equity line of credit, or HELOC, that completely replaces it. It's a whole new way of thinking about your home loan. So let's walk through how the process with Epic Lending unfolds.
We like to think of this less as just, filling out a loan application, and more like starting a journey with a very clear destination, paying off your house way faster, saving a ton of money on interest, and really fast-tracking your ability to build wealth.
So, where does this journey begin? It all kicks off with a totally free, no-strings-attached consultation. This isn't a sales pitch. It's a real strategy session with Erik Walbot to map out a financial plan that is built just for you.
Okay, so you might be asking, what exactly are we going to talk about in this consultation? Great question. The very first thing we do is get a really clear snapshot of where you are financially right now. This is crucial to figuring out how the AIO loan can best work for you.
This is where we'll sit down together and really look at your whole financial picture. We're talking about things like your current mortgage details, your household income, what you've got in savings, and any other debts you might have. We use your actual numbers to build a personalized simulation so you can see a projection of how the AIO loan performs with your money.
And the whole point of this, the big goal, it's to give you a crystal clear roadmap to becoming debt-free. That simulation will show you exactly how your income can go to work paying down your principal like crazy, potentially saving you years, maybe even decades of interest payments. It's a real eye-opener. Okay, once you see the strategy and you're ready to move forward, it's time for the application. And I know, nobody loves paperwork. That's exactly why we've designed this process to be as simple and as transparent as it gets.
It really boils down to 3 super simple steps. First, you get a link to your application. Second, you upload your documents into a secure online portal. And third, you get to watch your progress in real time. That's it.
Now, this is the really cool part. The key to the whole system is our progress tracker. It's not some black box where you send documents and hope for the best. As you upload each item, you'll literally see that percentage bar climb closer and closer to 100%. No guesswork, no wondering what's next.
Then you see this, 100% complete. That's a fantastic feeling, right? It means you've done your part, everything is in, and your file is officially ready to take the next step toward approval.
So with your application all wrapped up, we then move into the approval phase. This is where we take everything you've provided and package it up to build a really strong, clear case for the underwriting team.
Now, you're probably wondering what kind of documents we're talking about. It's pretty standard stuff, actually. Things like your W-2s, the last couple of years of tax returns, and your recent bank statements. The goal is just to present a full and accurate financial picture for the review.
Okay, let's talk numbers for a second. One of the key requirements is your credit score. You'll need a minimum FICO score of 700 to qualify for the all-in-one loan. This is a pretty important benchmark in the whole process.
And there are a couple of other important numbers we look at. Let's break them down. For a refinance, we can go up to 80% of your home's value. That's called loan-to-value, or LTV. For a purchase, you'll need at least a 10% down payment. For both, your total debt payments can't be more than 43% of your income. That's your debt-to-income ratio, or DTI.
So, let's recap. We've got your application at 100%, the appraisal report is back, we bundle all of that up into one neat package, and that's what we send over to the underwriter for the official review. All right, you've gotten the approval. High five. From here on out, things move fast. So let's look at what it takes to get you across that finish line and officially close your new loan.
And when I say fast, I mean it. Check out this final countdown. On day 1, you get the approval. By day 5, your loan is often officially recorded. It's a remarkably quick turnaround, and of course, we'll keep you in the loop every single step of the way.
Even the signing part is designed to be super convenient for you. We can have a mobile notary come right to your house, your office, wherever it works. For refinance, we usually roll the closing costs right into the loan, so you likely won't need to bring any money to the signing. If it's a purchase, the title company will just let you know the final amount for your down payment.
And now for the best part. The loan's closed. The paperwork is done. So, what's next? Let's talk about what your life actually looks like with the all-in-one loan, because it's way more than a mortgage. It's really your new financial hub.
And just like that, your AIO loan is active. You're in. Welcome to the AIO Club. This is where you really take the driver's seat, start crushing that home payoff, and build some serious financial security for your future.
You're not just left on your own either. You get a whole banking toolkit to make managing everything a breeze. We're talking a full-service bank account with account and routing numbers, online access, debit cards, checks, the whole shebang. Plus, you've got mobile check deposit and a dedicated support team ready to help.
So we've walked through the whole thing, right? From that first strategy session all the way to what life looks like with your brand new AIO account. The path is clear, it's simple, and it's designed to help you win. The only question left is, are you ready to start your journey?
If you're thinking yes, then here is everything you need to get started. To set up that free, personalized consultation, just call or email Erik Walbot directly. Seriously, go ahead and grab a screenshot of this slide right now. This is your very next step.
Disclaimer: this is not a commitment to lend. All loans are subject to credit approval. Epic Lending is an equal housing opportunity lender. NMLS #1936984. For licensing information, please visit www.nmlsconsumeraccess.org.